How to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits mobile. So if you want to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits mobile, then to do that, what you need to do is just first open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Once you're on your browser, now you need to go with the search. Under search, you need to search for roblox.com and make sure to log into your Roblox on your browser. Once you're logged in, now go with create option, which is right here. Just tap on create. And now go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon, and go with the creations option. Under creations, now if you swipe right, then you will have development items. Tap on development items. And here you just need to simply swipe right and go with decals. Once you tap on it, now you just need to simply go with upload asset, which is on the middle. And you just need to simply go and upload an image from your device. And once you've added the image, you just need to simply go with the name and go with upload. Now, once you've uploaded, you'll have the 3 dots on the upper right side of that decal. So you just need to simply tap on it and you will have an option of copy asset ID. Copy that. Once you copy the asset ID, now you just need to simply open up your Blox Fruits. You can click on the crew logo and from there you can paste the address that you've just copied in the logo link, and then you can enter a name, and after that you will create your crew logo. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.